Hi guys, today we're gonna be playing Tower of Hill. Okay, so do you guys even see me? I think you're not gonna see me in this video for today. Oh, actually you are. Oh, okay. I did not realize that. But we're gonna get started playing. So I gotta okay, it's already started. Where's the game? Okay, so there it is. Okay, now we're gonna be playing. Okay, so here is Tower of Hill. There's a bad word in it, so we're not gonna say it. I say it a lot, like Tower of Hill. I say it because, you know, guys, it's just a bad word that we're not supposed to use in school. Okay, so no, I don't like this obby. Okay, I had to clean my throat there. No. Girl, do you see that? What in the... Where's she crossing that? So weird. Why? Okay, why is this still up? I thought I shut it down. I thought I shut it down. Thought I shut it. Okay. Oh no. Oh no. Someone just made it to the top. No one did. Oh no, it's another level. What? How did people lost? Oh my god, is it really gonna be my eyes? It calls power line. See what power lines. I'm not good at that. Oh, no more. I can't get it. 500. Okay. High speed. Foggy. Negative. No, that's gonna make it way harder. And then I can finish it. Will someone buy high jump? We bought it. Queen Chidney. Whatever. We're not focusing on games, guys. Like, use your name. Sorry about that. This is what I do. So I go to Pro Towers. I go to Pro Towers. And then I go in Towers. Okay, that body just went into the new towers, so I need to remove some towers. I never did the pro obby. I lost, then I moved on. Because whenever I lose, I'd be like, and then when I get in the car and I almost made it, I'm like, no, dang it! It's so frustrating. I hate it. I just don't like it. It's too sad. Not really sad. It's... Oh, my mom just joined. Or my sister just joined. Because she's showing on my mother's phone. Okay, hear her downstairs. Get away, you, she's following me. She's following me. Don't. Oh my god. That's my sister, guys. That's my mom's account, but she's just playing. That's probably her phone died. Okay, get away from me, girl. Seriously. Coronavirus. Well, I think coronavirus is over because we're not wearing masks anymore. Oh, I just forgot that. Okay. Run Ra-ta-ta-ta-ta. Okay, let's go. No! Okay, second. Oh my god. Of course. Okay, I'm in the game. Wait. People would have fallen. They came from the yellow level. Okay, see, so they were at this yellow level and they. Yeah, that was kind of awkward. People, if you fell down, that was kind of awkward because nobody does it. I'm just making you sure. What did I do? What did I ever do? What did I do? What did I do? What did I do? What did I do? Bigger screen. Yes! It's ability! Yes! Okay, I love this. This is my favorite power on Earth. Just make sure. Zoop, zoop. No, 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 no. Zoop, 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 zoop. Church. He's at church. Okay. Nice, dude. I think that. Don't say cool, but like, church is kind of cool. Praying for. Oh my gosh. Seriously? Someone just put it. Yeah. This ability? Oh my god. Thank you. I hate this method. I hate this method. I hate this. Bunny hop in this. Someone explain who's. I hate rah 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 410. I mean, this is not his fault because whenever I join in a Tower of Hill game, everyone's like buying the Fury, and the Bunny Hop, and the ability. Please! Yeah, I just drew something. Oh my. Accept or decline. He's at the church, so he's pretty lucky, actually. I would have made it if nobody but the bunny up or his ability. Someone! I really hate but just. Does anyone want a free ride, rock, and a dummy? LOL. Me. I ask first. I don't want. Don't buy extra time. Yes, please don't. If you do, oh, watch what's gonna happen. Say, bruh, I hate y'all. Excuse me. They were saying bad words. They're swearing. Hashtags. Yo, beautiful. Oh my god. I'm just gonna close this. I don't like this. I don't like this. No, Tatsu. Okay, yay. Okay, let's go. Okay, we're here. I can't see. Ma'am! Whoever made this game, this is too hard. It's not funny. Oh my god, those things are good. Okay, what is the next? Oh my god. What is I heart my best friend. I heart my friend. And nice. Rector. I don't know. Rector or Tractor. I was trying to do it, but there's no one tile. What? Oh my. Okay. We're just gonna try one more time and then we're gonna end it here, I guess. Okay, guys, I think we're gonna end it here for now. Let's see, maybe. Let's end it. Okay, guys, so I hope you guys have a wonderful day. And like, subscribe, and be pink and be airy. Okay. So, bye!